Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Patrick with K40 Electronics and thank you so much for joining us today. I wanted to share with you one of my favorite features on the brand new Platinum 100 portable radar and laser detector. We came up with something called stealth mode for your display, and stealth mode is so nice to drive with at night. If you're like me, you might appreciate a really dimly lit interior when you are doing your nighttime driving, and it's so easy just to move your display over to stealth mode. You want to press and release the dim menu button until you get to stealth. And what you'll notice is a single pixel moving around the screen just to let you know that the system is actively protecting you during your nighttime travels. If you have any questions, you know we're honored to help you day or night. Just give us a call at 1-800-323-5608. And until then, I hope you enjoy the ride. See you soon.